Hello, it's Aaron Habicht here in Regina, Saskatchewan. Today we're going to discuss Canada's most affordable housing markets. So with RBC releasing a report in June of this year, they've rated Regina as the most affordable housing currently in Canada. You can see here to understand housing affordability, it's based on a percentage rate. Regina's measure is 26.1, meaning the average household spends just over a quarter of their income on housing costs. Once we get to this chart, you'll see Regina is right at the top with a 26.1% measure, which is the lowest among tracked Canadian cities. The national average is sitting right around 55.1%. So Regina is really bucking the national average on this right now. The historical affordability trends, we have improved somewhat over the past 5 years. In 2020, Regina was measuring at 27.7%. Now we are down to 26.1%. We are one of very few markets to show improvement since the pandemic. We are consistently below the long-term average for the region. We've maintained affordability despite nationwide housing pressures. And again, this is all from RBC's housing report this past June. The impact of interest rates cuts. Obviously, the lower the interest rate, the buyers are coming back to the table. Currently in Regina, we are lacking home inventory. So we are in a market that is very competitive. Buyers are competing for homes. Prices are skyrocketing. We've reached a new benchmark price for July sales. That's going to be in my next video when we talk about the stats for July. So keep an eye out on that. So the housing supply challenge, what I just said. Regina's affordability advantage, but we do face a housing supply shortage right now. We have limited inventory, which is creating a competitive market. We have supply constraints, which are expected to drive continued price appreciation until we get more homes on the market. And finally, new construction has not kept pace with the increasing demand for local buyers and those relocating to Regina. Projected growth, here we have a sustained value appreciation is expected to continue due to the limited housing that we've just discussed. We're likely going to maintain our position as the most affordable major housing market in Canada right through 2026. Affordability measures projected to remain below 27. Once again, right now we're at 26.1. The national average is 55.1. So we are significantly more affordable than the national average across Canada. And again, increasing migration to Regina is expected as buyers can find affordable home ownership in the city of Regina right now. What are the key takeaways? Once again, we are the most affordable, bucking the national average. Housing affordability has improved since 2020. Lower interest rates have contributed to the improved affordability. And despite limited housing, Regina is projected to maintain its affordability advantage over the next year or so. So that's really it for now. If you have any questions about this market, if you're thinking about buying a home, selling your home, investing in real estate, it is a great time to look at those options. If you want to see a copy of this report, feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to send you a PDF on it. Once again, it's Aaron Habicht with Optimum Realty. We'll talk to you soon. Have yourself a great week.